Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm part of this team, former student team of the TU Berlin since 2022. Currently, I'm doing my studies in mechanical engineering. Coming from composite manufacturing inside of the team, it really is very important, as this is the main point where we do a lot of bonding applications. So for example, our carbon fiber parts are fully bonded to an inner structure, and without adhesives we could not manufacture this at all. We also use bonding for metal parts, but there it is not completely required. But in general, for the whole car, for example, for quick fixes, when you have to bond something for repairs, it's crucial on event sites to continue driving and not to stop the race. System is quite underrated, but in my opinion it's very important. We have different systems available to us for 400 milliliter cartridges, and depending on the viscosity of the adhesives, for example, the pneumatic dispenser is way better suited than the manual, because it gets really, your hands get tired very quickly, but also depending on how long or how large the bonding jobs are, different dispensers are very helpful. So the type of dispenser is definitely not to be dismissed. Pneumatic DP 2X400 and the DP2M 400. These are, like I said, manual or pneumatic, and also the electric one from COX. My favorite is the pneumatic one, because you can check or control the dosage very tightly, or really in very nice steps, and it's also very nice to work with because you don't have to apply force yourself, and it gives the best results in the end. For adhesives, we use the F-System cartridge, but we also have for our fire retardant adhesives the C cartridge system, at least for the 400 milliliter adhesive cartridges. My favorite is the F-System, because the dispensers are very easy to apply, and also we have the QUADRO system for that, which is very nice because you don't waste a lot of the adhesive in the mixing process. Always, because we are not applying adhesives without mixing with the mixers. For example, the QUADRO mixers are very nice because we don't waste a lot of adhesives, and it's very compact mixing style. We have used the helix mixers for some applications where we need like a long mixing tip to get into like close corners. But I guess in general for us we're indifferent to the mixing itself, because it does not really make that big of a difference, but I guess for saving adhesive, the QUADRO is obviously the best. Quite interchangeable, but for us, I guess mostly because we have mostly QUADRO mixers, they're the best. They are quite versatile. They have a short, stiff tip, so you don't, I guess, slide away from the corner you want to glue or a bond. But for some applications, like longer helix tips are also sometimes very nice.